Jeremy Ellis here. I'm going to try to quickly show you this new organization, webmcu-AI, MCU being microcontrollers. Here's a page in there that I made. I have a couple of papers, which should be in a link. And here's the main web page. It flashes the firmware to this Xiao ML Kit. It's an ESP32S3 with the screen. That's my own 3D print cover. Camera, mic, it's pretty impressive. So I could flash the device, it's already flashed. Then I connect and get some information. What I'm going to do here though is I'm going to train it on a battery and a quarter. So first of all, I'm going to activate the camera. There it is. That's the camera that this thing is viewing. Okay. So I'm going to set up a folder. Now, this is brand new stuff. That's interesting. Let's make a new folder. Folder test 4. And we're selecting the folder. So the PC has access to that folder. I'm going to grab this stuff, move it over there, and I'm just going to collect 10 blank pictures. And you see it's reading them. They're actually on disk. I'm going to move this around so they're actually different. And what we're going to do is we're going to train this, but let's get the battery going first. Ooh, I need to move that off to the side. Positioning this stuff isn't the easiest thing in the world. Let me just, there we go. Okay, so I should be twisting it around, getting different angles, but I'm not trying to do this perfectly. I'm just trying to show you. Okay, so once again, I should be moving it around. Sorry, you can't really see because of my hand. That should be enough. Let's grab one more. Now, I'm going to bump up the number of epochs because it doesn't actually matter. Notice nothing's starting. That starts it. Let's just see if it actually works. And what is it doing here? It is theoretically, there, it's training. So it's got a batch size of 6, a learning rate of 0.003, dropout of 3. It's a 2-layer CNN, which is on device. So the first paper is about just putting this, the CNN. It has a menu system, which you really can't see. But up here, the menu system has class 1, class 2, class 3, and train and infer. One device, it takes about 9 minutes to train one run. But on the computer, we've got the power of the web browsers, so we can train quite a bit quicker. Here we've got average loss 0.3. You notice the confusion matrix because these are very specific. It's for TinyML. We're not dealing with Edge AI here. We just want a very specific, same lighting, same training, that kind of situation. So the loss is coming down. I'm just going to pause it here. And let's get a browser heat map going, and let's see how it's going. Now remember, this stuff is not necessarily good, but let's see, I've got 96% blank, a nice little heat map there. Who knows if it'll get the battery, not terribly good. Remember, I might not be at the right angle, but it is reading it. And then the quarter, it's not really on screen, and not great again, but, oh, there we go, 73% quarter, and the heat map's showing what's up. So let's now, I could have trained it way more. Let's just go down and export the weights, export the weights as a binary, export the weights as a C header file. I'm also going to save this. I think it needs to know where it is. I think I was in test 4 in the header. That I'll tidy up. That's not the smoothest way to do things. Now, to get this on the device, it is simply a matter of moving over the data from the WebMC. Oh, darn, wrong one. Let's go into my downloads. Where did WebMC go? Downloads, sorry. There we go. Test 4. There it is, the header and the image. Here is very cool little USB. Actually, I don't want to mess it up. Let's drag these over. So now what I'm doing is I'm moving that data, and I'll smarten this up another time. I'm moving that data to this very cool, can you see it? I don't want people knocking on my door. Where is it? Right there. That little device. Oh, I should have pulled it out properly. I can slide that into my SD card. And let's reboot the device. And let's connect that device. Connect it. And see what we've got here. We've got training. So let's try inferring. I can actually see the heat map from the, turn that one off. That one might not work. Let's do this. Oh yeah. Okay, so now it is on the device, and if I rebooted, it would be on the device. Let's move this here. The camera on the device is actually seeing things, and you really can't see that screen, but it is actually saying battery at, oh, it's showing up over here. Battery at 98%. If I go here, it's blank at 86%. If I go to the quarter, it is, let's see if I can get the quarter in the screen. If you see it there, why is it not showing up on that screen? It's a black and white screen. Too bad it's not grayscale. The quarter is not, oh, there, quarter at 40-something%. Fully on device, fully trained. You don't need a cloud to train this. All those images aren't going up on the cloud somewhere. They're all on my local computer and on the SD card here. That's about it. Have a good day.